Well, hi everyone! Welcome to another language lesson with me, Lingo the Language Bot. What are we going to learn about today? Let's find out! Today, we will learn about comparing things. In English, we can compare things to talk about how they are different. How are they different? That's right. This house is bigger than this house. This house is smaller than this house. How are they different? Yes, that's it. The man is older than the boy. Good. How are they different? That's it. The greenhouse is the tallest. In English, we can change describing words to compare things or to say how they are different. The man is old. Old is a describing word or an adjective. We can change the describing word to say how they are different. The man is older than the boy. We can add the letters E and R to the describing word and use than. The man is older than the boy. They are different. The giraffe is very tall. The giraffe is taller than me. I am very short. I am shorter than the giraffe. To compare more than two things, we can use the and add the letters EST to the describing word. The man is the oldest. The greenhouse is the tallest. It is taller than all the other houses. The yellow house is the shortest. My pizza is the biggest. I love pizza. Now you try. My sister is older than me. My sister is oldest than me, or my sister is old than me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good! My sister is older than me. Well done. A car is the fastest a bike. A car is faster than a bike, or a car is the fast a bike. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. A car is faster than a bike. Excuse me, I got excited. Next, the red car is the fastest. The red car is faster than, or the red car is the fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good! The red car is the fastest. Well, it's time for me to go, but thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something today. Join me, Lingo the Language Bot, next time for another lesson. Okay, bye. See you next time.